I'm a big proponent of in-between cleans, that preventative maintenance work that you can do between the bigger cleans that take about 5 to 10 minutes. And once you do those, it allows you to stretch the amount of time you could go between bigger cleans, if you even need to do them at all. So in this video, I want to walk you through one of those bathroom cleaning routines, kind of that in-between clean, to teach you the things that you can do in the most efficient and effective way to keep your bathroom cleaner for longer.
Now, this bathroom needed a lot of TLC. Not only is this Riley's bathroom where we bathe her every night, but it is also the guest bathroom, so it gets a lot of traction. First and foremost, I like to replace hand towels frequently, as well as regular bath towels. I find especially with hand towels, like if guests are coming in, I always like to have them not more than a day or two old, just because, you know, trying to keep germs to a minimum and being respectful of the people that come through our home. I want to make sure they're always using something clean. In a bathroom, it's really important to pre-treat areas that are going to be cleaned well ahead of time so that you don't have to do a lot of cleaning or scrubbing later on down the line. Now with this tub, I find it doesn't get too dirty, but it does get some soapy residue because of, you know, Riley taking a bath in there just about every day. So I decided to give this a little pre-treater and then just give it a quick general wipe down. Again, it didn't need a scrub, it just needed more of a surface clean. Next up, I'm pre-treating the mirror here, just giving it a spray, doing the same thing with the counter. And you can see I'm kind of throwing everything on the floor. And this is how I like to roll with cleaning because I know I deal with the floors last anyway, so if anything goes on there, I don't worry about it too much. Using my famous S pattern with that flat weave microfiber cloth, getting a real nice shine on the mirror there. Same thing goes for the faucets, making sure they look great. You know, when people come over and they see watermarks on the faucet, it's not a big deal, it doesn't mean it's dirty, but when there isn't anything there, oof, it just looks so good. Now with the counters, I'm just doing a quick S pattern, eye level test, and then I'm moving right into getting the sinks clean. And again, the thing with doing these in-between cleans, even though there was a lot of stuff to clean up, it wasn't dirty, it was just more the mess that needed to be cleaned. Doing a wipe down with a microfiber cloth is sufficient. Moving right over to the toilet, you'll see, actually I get asked about this a lot. I took some paper towel with me because I don't like cleaning my toilets with microfiber cloths. I find, you know, I don't like the thought of that from a cross-contamination standpoint, which is why I just like to use paper towel. And I always work from the top to the bottom, giving everything a good wipe. I also get comments sometimes about not wearing gloves, but I can tell you, I know who's been on this toilet. It doesn't worry me too much, so I was okay to not use gloves here. Plus, it's not like I went and, you know, baked a cake after this without washing my hands. The other thing that's important when you're cleaning a toilet is to clean the areas around the toilet, which is why I sprayed and then started wiping using the S pattern. And this is actually how I like to clean the floors in the bathroom. I lovingly call it the Cinderella method or the hands and knees method. And you'll also see that when I'm done using my microfiber cloths, I just toss them on the floor when I'm cleaning the bathroom. And those are the cloths that I end up using to wipe the floors down. Now you might say, well, why wouldn't you just mop? Truthfully, I could, but then I'd have to bring an extra cleaning tool, and this is just so easy and efficient. I also like that I don't have to sweep or vacuum. This not only gets up any dirt on the floor and stains, but it also gets hair, and that is the biggest challenge for me in the bathroom. Okay, all done.
So now you've got your in-between clean bathroom routine down pat. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, what is your favorite or most efficient way to clean bathroom floors? What way do you use? Do you use a mop? Do you use a broom? Do you use a vacuum? Do you use a combination of those? Or do you use the Cinderella method, the one that I use? I will say I don't love doing the Cinderella method, but I cannot argue the result. It really gets the bathroom cleaner than any other method, in my opinion. So I'd love to know what you think in the comments down below. If you want to learn about any of the cloths that I've used in this video, you can visit makersclean.com or, for my friends in Canada, makersclean.ca. I've also got links for you down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Makers Clean channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.